This is CDX Technologies. In this video, we are going to take a look at an online tool that can be used for address correction and Zip+4 Lookup. This is being added to our suite of tools that are available on the CDX Technologies website. This tool can handle up to 20,000 addresses at one time. It is entirely browser-based and does not require any software installation. Results and cost to create the report can be previewed before you buy. To try this application, simply visit cdxtech.com and choose the Tools option in the top menu. Then select Bulk Address Correction and Zip+4 Processing. This tool is available with a variety of other location analysis tools such as our zip code demographic batch report application. The address correction report can also be started by entering in the address cdxtech.com/tools/bulk/verify address. So how does the tool work? This application allows you to upload a list of addresses in an xlsx file or CSV file. Currently only US addresses are supported. Multiple formats of input are allowed, including one column, two column, and multiple column formats. You can include suite numbers, and zip codes are optional. There are links on this web page for examples of the single line and multiple column formats. Let's open the multiple column format and take a look. Your data should be split out into the appropriate number of columns. Address, city, and state are required. Zip code is optional. Secondary information such as suite or apartment number can be included with the address. Please note that you can specify headers to help the software identify specific address fields. This is especially important when specifying a separate column for secondary address information. Let's open an example of this file format, which is also available on the tool web page. The ID column is used to add a specific item number or customer name to each address in the report. Secondary address information can be specified with a header of address to or street to. This example file will create the following output report from the address verification app. The fields shown are the input address along with the verified output address. The output address is shown in single line format along with the individual address fields as separate columns. Also shown is a message field that indicates if changes were made or if the address couldn't be validated. Additional data such as county name, DPBC, delivery point barcode, latitude and longitude for the 5-digit zip code are also shown. The cost of the report is 1 cent per address using your credit card or PayPal. There is a $9.95 minimum charge. This tool is also part of the CDXStreamer subscription service, which can be a significant savings if you will be doing multiple reports. A single CDXStreamer request is charged for each address with no minimum. Let's now go through a demonstration of uploading data to the tool by opening the address file with headers example. Going back to the web tool, press the Get Started button to begin. Then click the Select Your File Here button to upload your file. You can also drag and drop the file into the area indicated on the web page. This creates a preview report which shows the first few addresses and results. This will confirm if your input data is correctly formatted and the total cost for the report. If our software can identify the input format, a screen will be presented allowing you to match the columns to the expected address fields. We can initiate this interface at the start by clicking the Advanced Options checkbox on the Upload web page. Let's press the Start Over button to try this. A screen will appear showing your file structure and allow you to select the necessary matching fields even if they are not in the standard order. An option is also available to add additional columns in your file to the output report, along with the ability to capitalize all fields in the report. Let's press Continue to create our file. If you wish to purchase the complete report, you can use your credit card, PayPal, or a CDXStreamer subscription. If you are not logged into your CDXStreamer account, a web page will appear for you to do so. Let's use our CDXStreamer account to create the report. Once the order is entered, you will be taken to a web page which will display as the report is calculated. For the maximum number of addresses, this can take 10 minutes or more to process. For long reports, a progress bar will appear which will stop when your report is complete and allow you to download the report. You will also receive an email receipt and notification when your file is ready. For more information, please visit us at www.cdxtech.com. Don't hesitate to contact us about this tool or with any other questions by emailing support@cdxtech.com. You can try out the tool for free by requesting a CDXStreamer demo. The link for this is included in this video's description. If you found this video useful, please be sure to click on the like button. To be alerted to new videos we release, please consider subscribing to the CDXTech.com channel on YouTube and turn on notifications. Thank you for listening and considering us for your location analysis needs.